Welcome to Mora FC. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you like, you comment and you share. Share your ideas and your thoughts. Ask questions that we want to ask. We are going to learn how to sew a zip on the shoulder of a man's clothes. You can do the same thing on a lady's clothes. Just have to follow the procedure. So let's get started. This is the front side of a man's clothes, the top. You put the facing together, the right side together. We're going to turn it over inside, so you sew 1/2 inch on the next side. That is the yoke of the front top. You leave 1 inch. You can close your zip or you can leave your zip open. But make sure you put the right side of the zip on top of the right side of the cloth and continue sewing the 1 inch that you left. Make sure you fix the zip very well. This place is very important, so you take your time. You can feel the edge of the zip, so make sure you sew closely to the edge of the zip, very closely to the edge of the zip. If you have a zip foot, it can become easy for you. When you reach there and you think that you can't sew, you just have to open it, flip the zip backwards and continue sewing. Subscribe to this channel, like, press the notification bell. The more you subscribe, the more it motivates me to create more videos. We are going to do a lot of stuff on this channel: men's clothes, ladies clothes, shoes, face mask, sleeping mask, so many things, a bag, purse, so many things that we are going to do. So this is the back of the clothes. You take the yoke of the clothes. That's the yoke, that's the wrong side, and that's the wrong side. You put the right side of the yoke to the wrong side of the cloth, then you sew 1/2 inch. Take your time, keep on practicing, you become perfect. Subscribe and press on the notification bell, so that anytime that I post something, you'll be the first person to see it. Leave it on 1 inch as we did in the front side. Then you take your zip, you open it. That will become easy for you. Don't close it, you gotta open it so you get more space. Then you fix your zip inside. And you close the 1 inch that you left. Take your time. If you get it wrong, you try again. Like I said, sew very close to the edge of the zip, very close to the edge of the zip. Make sure that you fix it very well. You take your time, fix it very well, and sew. Subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell. Tell me what you think. Share your knowledge and wisdom. Ask questions. Share to friends. Let them enjoy the benefit of this video. This is a free tutorial, so let other people enjoy this free tutorial. Like I said, we're gonna do so many things here: pairs, men clothes, ladies clothes, case, old, name it. So after you're done, you just turn her. You have to turn the yolk over. You can see we are almost done. After this is the bonus one I'm gonna teach. After fixing the yolk at the back, I'll teach you how to jump perfectly on the other shoulder. So make sure you subscribe, if you like, you share, you comment. Tell me what you think. Ask question. If you like this video, click on the like button. So we're gonna do how to fix the other shoulder. You take the front and the back. You can see how I do it. Make sure you fix it well. Then you fix it in between the back of the yoke and the back. Trying to fix it inside. You take your time. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. The more you subscribe, the more it motivates me to do more videos. Voila, you can see how it has been done. So let's take a look. The outcome, see how beautiful it look like. Thanks for watching. This is Mora FC. Subscribe for more video. Press on the notification bell to enjoy more different kinds of videos.